Welcome YouTube family to this amazing community where bold ideas meet smart strategies. If you're new here, you're welcome. I share tips on making money online, finding remote work, and mastering useful tech skills. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Now let's jump right into today's video. Would you like to turn your ideas into content that lasts forever? If you're a content creator or simply love making evergreen AI content, then this video is for you. I will show you how to transform your scripts into a high-quality professional voiceover to elevate your content. I'm introducing to you PopPop AI, your tool for creating exceptional audio with ease. Let's go as we get started. Your voiceover can look like this if you're using PopPop AI to create your content.
They say inspiration strikes when it's good and ready, but that's a lie you tell yourself when you're scared to start. Because inspiration, it's a sprinter, and it's halfway down the track. You can't capture it by waiting for it. You have to chase it, follow its trail, and see where it leads. Don't wait for your inspiration to find you. Go find it. Chase your ideas today before they flutter away for good.
To have access to PopPop AI application, you need to create an account. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how you can create an account and get started. So I'm going to come over here and type PopPop AI. Alright, so this is the first link. So you're going to click on this link. Alright, so some of the features that you're going to be seeing on your dashboard are voice technology. You can see AI text to speech. That means as a content creator or a storyteller, you can convert your prompts into a speech. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how you can do that successfully. Then also you can use this tool called AI voice generator. Alright, then also AI voice cloning. That means you can say something on the platform and you can change the voice to your own particular character. Alright, so that is how you can use AI voice cloning. Then the next tab here, you are seeing music processing. You can see you can convert from AI voice remover, so you can use this tool to create your videos. And also you can see AI karaoke maker. That means you can use this tool, AI acapella extractor, AI instrumental maker, AI instrumental remover. So all these are all the tools that you can explore while you are creating your content. You can see music production, AI cover song generator. That means you can convert your songs, alright, using different AI cover song to do that. Alright, and some of the tools you are going to be seeing there, you can use celebrities, you can use artists, different artists, AI cover song for your videos. And you can see AI cover song generator for iOS users. So if you are using an iOS, you can also use this tool to do your videos. You can see sound design, AI sound effects generator. Alright, so you can use different sound effects to tell your stories, which is going to make your stories look very real and entertaining. And you can see resources. Under this resources tool here, you can see cover songs, voice models, AI sound effects, sound effect library, and vocal and instrumental. Alright, so these are the basic tools that are highlighted on PopPop AI application. So these are free tools that you can use to create your content. And so if you want to sign up, you're going to come over here. So you're going to click on sign up. So you can create an account by using either your Gmail address, or if you have an Apple ID, if you use an iOS device. Alright, so either of these two is okay for you to sign in. So once you sign up, you can have access to this platform. Alright, So I already have an account, so we are going to be going straight to create a prompt that is going to show you how you can use this platform. So let me come over to my ChatGPT. So depending on what you want to do, for you to be able to create a prompt for your stories, you need to know the kind of niche you are trying to create the story for. All right, so as a content creator or a storyteller, you need to be descriptive with your prompting. So once you get your prompting right, you're going to be able to get your script. After you got your script, you can generate your images for the characters, and also after that you can now create your voiceover. All right, so after your voiceover, you can now synchronize all together using a tool called CapCut to create your videos. So it's going to be real. So but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can generate your prompt for your voiceover. All right, so if you want to create a complete story, you are going to use a particular prompt to get your characters, to get your voiceover or your storyboarding. Right, so we'll be doing that in another video. So let me create a prompt for an animation story, which is a video prompt. So I'm going to type create an interesting and professional prompt for YouTube short 3D animation video voice over with characters on the hero of Maryland won the war against the city. So this is my story. So I'm going to generate a prompt, just a voiceover prompt for my story. All right, so our voiceover prompt is ready. Let's scroll down. So you can see the voiceover prompt with character dialogue. So we are going to copy this and we're going to paste it on our platform so that we can generate our voiceover, so that you can see how realistic the voiceover looks like. So let's copy this. I'm going to paste it. Go ahead and copy the next. Come over here and paste this. Come over here, scroll down, we copy this. So depending on your storyline, you come We'll come down, paste this, scroll down, come over here, copy, paste this, and finally you copy the last thing, come over here, come down and paste this. Alright, so you can see we already generated the text for the voiceover. So the next we are going to be discussing is the characters. Alright, so these are different voiceover characters that you can use for your V8 videos. So you can see male characters, female character, neutral characters. So these are voiceovers. So let me play the first one, which is Amy. She's a female.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Alright, so we're not going to be going over all. So you're going to select the voiceover, either male or female, that you are going to be using for your content. So in my own case, I can decide to use a female. So let's just play any.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Let's play this one.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
We're gonna go for this. Alright, so we're going to come over here. If it's on default, you can leave it on default, but the pitch is okay and the speed is okay. So after you're done with that, you're going to click on generate. So we can now play what we just generated on this.
In the heart of Maryland, where shadows of fear once ruled, a single hero rose against an entire city they thought I was powerless. But today, Maryland will rise, and the city will fall. You dare challenge the city itself? You are nothing compared to our power. Steel clashed, towers crumbled, and courage burned brighter than fire. I fight not for myself, but for Maryland, and for freedom. And when the dust settled, one truth remained. The hero of Maryland had won the war against the city. Nang Kanin.
Alright, you can see how realistic this voiceover looks like. So it's a free tool that you can take advantage for your content, and it's going to help you to go a long way. So you can also use this feature called cover generator. Alright, so you can see over here all the voice models, like this SpongeBob. Let me play it.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow.
So you can scroll down and explore other characters. You can see celebrities. Alright, so you can play any of it.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the.
Alright, so you can see different celebrities.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky and all that I.
So when you scroll down, you see musical artists, video characters. You can see different artists.
Only love can say, try again, walk.
So you can easily use all this for your content, and it's gonna help you. Alright, so thank you guys for staying true to the very end of this video. If you like what I'm doing, kindly give this video a like and kindly subscribe for more updates like this. If you have any questions regarding this video or if you want to see more videos like this, kindly go over to the comment section and let me know. All right, I'll be seeing you guys in my very next one. Enjoy.